We all know that living beings depend on food for survival. What do we exactly mean by this? Food is basically any substance which we consume and which contains the essential nutrients. It means that food is a form of fuel which supplies the required energy to living beings. So what essential nutrients are present in the food that we consume? Well, our body needs 6 major types of nutrients. Can you name them for me? Yes, these are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. We need to take all these food substances in required amounts which should be included in our diet. What exactly do we mean by the word diet? The combination of food items which we eat in our meals is what we call our diet. Our diet consists of all the essential substances which we require for our growth and development. So consuming these substances through our diet is enough for us, right? Not always. The most important thing to remember is consuming these essential nutrients in a correct or a proper amount. Are we not familiar with the term balanced diet? Yes, a balanced diet is the one which includes all necessary food items which supply all essential nutrients in a correct amount. This process of obtaining all the necessary nutrients through our diet is called as the process of nutrition. In other words, nutrition is the process where living beings are supplied with essential food components which serve important functions in the living body. Now we know that animals consume various plants and animals to gain the necessary nutrients. But have we ever seen plants consuming food like us? I assume never. So does that mean plants don't need nutrients? Don't they have nutrition as an important life process? Of course they do. But here's the best part. Plants are capable of making their nutrients rather than consuming it from some external source. Yes, green plants prepare their own food by utilizing solar power. Can you name the process for me? Yes, this process is called photosynthesis. For this reason, green plants are also called autotrophic organisms. And what do we mean by that? Autotrophs are organisms which can prepare their own food. And what about animals? They cannot prepare their own food inside their body just like the green plants, right? Yes. Unlike green plants, some non-green plants and some animals are unable to prepare their own food. Can you guess what these types of organisms are called? Yes, they are called as heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophs are those organisms which are unable to synthesize their own food. However, before learning about heterotrophs and their mode of nutrition, we need to understand how autotrophic organisms make their food. Let's discuss about green plants and the process of photosynthesis in the upcoming video.